Yo, what is up guys, another vlog back here. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all having an amazing day as always. And I'm just gonna show you guys how to like a burp. And I've seen most YouTubers do this, so I've seen someone burping challenge. So I'm gonna be doing a burping challenge, but I never do that before. So I'm gonna burp. So here we go. Oh my god, that's a good one. Let's do it again. I'll do it again. Oh my god, I can do this. I can do this. Oh, I need to burp about like 10 minutes, so 8 minutes, so I could deal with this. Yeah, I'm just like burping. So, okay guys, I think I have to end this video there. No, I'm not gonna end this video there. Just do remember one more burp. I have to do this. 3, 2, 1.
Hello.
Oh my god. That was a good one. That was a good one now. But let's try it again. Okay, here we go.
No.
Alright guys, I think I have to end this video there. Hope you enjoy this burping challenge, and make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're new, and turn on my post notifications, and just leave a like on the video. Just be sure like and comment, not comment, comments turned off. So just like the video and subscribe, turn on post notification bell, and click the bell right here, and we're out. Peace.